Hello friends, it's Alex and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be dipping into the Colourpop Sailor Moon palette. It is absolutely cute and like look at the colours in it. Aren't they great? They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to be playing with that one. So if you want to see what I come up with, just stick around. First up, I'm going to get these glasses off and tie up this hair. We're good. Rightio, so first I'm just going to go in with some primer and I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter Primer. So I'll just put that all on my face. Rightio, next I'm going to go in with my KVD Locket Foundation and I'm just going to blend that one out with a brush. I might use a sponge also just to get there right in there, but typically I only use a brush. So with foundations on, I'm just going to quickly set it though with some translucent powder. So I'm just using the Nude by Nature Mineral Finishing Veil. Awesome, so next I'm just going to quickly do my brows. I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brown Pomade in a dark brown. Anyone else find just one eyebrow so much harder to do than the other? Like this one I think, oh yeah, you know, she's alright. But then this one I'm like, I don't know what happened. But it's what happens every time, so I guess it's just how the eyebrow ends. So we'll move on. We'll leave it. We'll see how we go. What I'm actually going to go in with next, I've just started using recently, is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. So I'm just going to sweep this through, and the lady who sold to me, she sort of said that like it sort of just brings like your actual hairs of your eyebrows sort of to the front a bit more, so looks rather than just like solid, you've just put all this stuff on top, but sort of brings it to the front more, if that makes any sense. I believe people use it when they try and do more fluffy brows type looks, so we'll see if it even makes too much of a difference whether you can notice or not. There you go. I don't even know if you can notice much of a difference, but like up close I can. But again, I don't know if it's a huge amount of a difference that even makes it worth doing it. But I've been doing it recently, so that's what we're doing today. Now for some of the fun part. We're going to actually start using the palette. So I'm going to bring you in just a little bit closer and we'll see what we're going to do. Okay, so the idea behind this is kind of like a semi sunset sunrise-esque type of vibes, because I mean when you look at it, look like these bottom ones here, like just imagine like that one, pretty cute, and then at the bottom there's sparkle. So that's the plan and let's get into it. So first, I always like, even though it often seems a bit pointless, to put a colour down as some sort of a base so everything sort of blends in with that. What I like doing, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with this sort of like orangey tanny colour Twilight Flash, and I'm just going to pop that all on the lids. Now on the very outside of my eyes, I guess, I'm going to go in with the yellow colour Justice. Now I'm going pretty close to my eyebrow because as you can see, I don't have a huge amount of space, so any colours that I really want to get seen have to go basically up to my eyebrows. So that's just what I'm doing. So just sort of underneath where I've just gone in a circle, in like the semicircle, and a bit more in the crease of my eye, I'm going to go in with the pinky shade Tuxedo Mask. Lovely. So then just underneath that, and basically for the rest of the lid, as you can see, my original putting down colour, kind of pointless at the stage, but anyway, I did it. But I'm going to go in with Love. I'm just going to keep going back and forth with those sort of colours just to get it just how I like it, but I am pretty happy with how this is looking currently. I just might do a bit more yellow because yellow is one of my favourites for eyeshadow. So now this is kind of looking how I'm liking it. I am just going to spice it up a little bit, kind of. So I'm going to go underneath in this area here, in this purple colour here, Miracle Romance. Just get a little bit on a little brush and just almost use it as a little bit to outline my eyes. What I'm also going to do is go in a little bit of inner corner highlight, and I am just going to go in with the silvery colour, Silver Millennial, that one right there. But I really like this purple colour here, this really shiny one, Luna, and I'm thinking I'm going to put some of that underneath as well, just to make it a little bit more shiny. So I might just do that at the closest bit to the corner of my eye. You know what, I actually really like that. I might just put that as my corner highlight on top of what I just did as well. Just gonna sort of clean up my little bit of fallout here as well. Now to finish my eyes, I really want to just put on some black liner. So I'm just also going in with Colourpop, and with the Colourpop liquid liner in numero uno. So I'm just gonna do a bit of a wing. Can't say it's my best eyeliner today, but you know, it's gonna work. Now just to finish it off, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. So I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And that's everything for eyes for this cute little everyday little number. Obviously you could totally put on like false eyelashes or anything like that if you wanted to, but I mean, I wear glasses all the time and I'm not really going anywhere. I only really ever wear false eyelashes if I'm doing something really particular and I've got contacts in, which is not today. So let's zoom back out and I'll finish with the rest of the face. Radio, so first off with the rest of the face, I'm just going to go in with some contour, and I'm using the Revolution Ultra Contour palette. Obviously you can see it's very well loved. All of like the writing on the front has already come off. So I'm just going to pop some of that on cheekbones, up here on my temple, a bit on the jawline and on my nose as well. Rightio, now I'm going to go in with some blush. So I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in between the cheeks, which I really love this one. I mean, I don't have too many blushes and I've only sort of started using them now that it's sort of, you know, trendy or whatever. But this one's a really nice shade. So I'm put some on. Just going to put some sort of on my cheeks and also a little dab on my nose. Now I don't really want to go too overboard with the blush because that's just not what I'm going for today, but I mean, I certainly often do put a little bit more on than I think I need. So yeah, so just finishing up with some highlighter. So we're going in with NYX's Storybook Genius palette and might go in with a bit of the more pinky toned one here. And to finish up the whole look, just going to put on some lipstick. And today I think I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie in Exotic. So on camera that lipstick's looking like super bright, but like in my mirror it doesn't look, it looks a bit more muted. But what I think I might do is just sort of blot it a little bit to try and make it not so bright. That looks a bit better. Nice. So I guess there you have it. This is the finished look. I'll take my hair out, juice that all up, and yeah, so this is it. A bit of a cute, simple, very like simple and quick, easy eye makeup that if you're daring or you like a bit of colour, you could be this as your sort of everyday type of look. I really like this, and this is sort of a looks that I gravitate to. Anything that's sort of like bright and like all like orangey yellows, sort of pink tones are like my go-to. So this is relatively everyday for me. So there you go. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you liked it and enjoyed this look. And like, yeah, would you try this? Or like, do you have this palette? Would you want this palette? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, if you did like this video, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up, you know, tell me your thoughts down below. And you know, if you want to see a bit more of my face, you know, even click subscribe while you're here, because that could be pretty cool. But I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!